Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is an uptrend, and I still think it's most likely eventually going to go up and take out these highs. I think it most likely is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it very likely will go up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels before we do get a bigger push to the downside. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2. I think this is a 1 of 3. I think this is a 2 of 3. We're going to have to keep an eye on it to see whether or not the wave 2 of wave 3 is actually over or not. But if it is over, then eventually it's going to keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see the nice 5 wave uptrend that we got here. And this move down, I mean, it does kind of resemble more like a trend than a crescent, but I still think it is likely to be a wave 2. I still think that this possibly is the end of a crescent right after 61.8. It took out the low of wave 4. It made a nice Fibonacci bounce. It broke structure. Pretty much did everything that a wave 2 should do. So I think there is a pretty good likelihood that this will, on these higher time frames, continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I can see a pretty nice little 5 way pattern up right here. Like I said, we definitely do have a pretty nice break of structure. So I think most likely this move down is a wave A. I think most likely this move up is a wave B. And I think this move down is very likely a wave C. Now, if this goes and makes 3 waves to the downside, maybe bounces off a Fibonacci retracement level, makes a nice big engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely will take it as a long opportunity. I mean, I think there's a good chance it could be a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. This move up that we're currently getting is pretty strong. I mean, we were not really at a fib level. Now, it is the end of the month, so that's probably why we have a lot of volatility. But I still think there's a very good likelihood this is an A, this up here is a wave B, and that we're currently in a wave C. I kind of feel like this move up is potentially not it. I mean, I think that may actually go down one more time before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. I think it needs to touch the 50% Fibonacci extension. But if this closes as a big bullish engulfing move like it is trying to do right now, I mean, it possibly could end the correction and just keep on trending up from here. The trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames, so these shorter time frames, I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.